Hey guys, welcome again your own channel Mindhunter, and today's video is going to be very special for you because today I'm going to talk about any Android phone like Samsung, Oppo, Xiaomi, Vivo, any type of Android phone you can unlock within a minute with sitting at home. So get ready to unlock your phone. So today I am ready for with the new secret code, which is very important. This code is the most important for all the process. So this code, what I am going to share you, this is the most important. So make sure your must phone must be in flight mode and your battery percentage above the 40 to 50%, because this process is which I am going to apply this method, which is used in service center also. And phone must be charged, as I confirmed you, minimum 50%, so that your phone does not turn off during this unlocking process, because you may lost your data or application during this process. So before going to start this process, which I want to share you some important thing again with you, because this code, which code I am going to share you, which is not unlocked by this process. If your phone is not unlocked by this process, please tell us in the comment section which handset is yours and which model is it, because the code which I am going to share you for unlocking process may support in many handset or may not support in many handsets. So get ready for unlocking. So I am going to tell you how to unlock. Now you able to see you this phone is locked through the password, and below the keypad area emergency calls option is here. So click on it, and this code is very helpful for all the Android version, and this code is valid up to October 2023. And this code is star has 66001154 star 998. After that you have to press hash. This code is very important. You, if you want to take a screenshot, take a screenshot. If you want to take note down, please take note down. There are so many comments. You are using finger side backside on finger for unlocking, so you can able to clearly find that this phone is not backside finger, all these things. So now it's time to call on this number and you will get this type of message. So ignore this message and press on OK, and minimum 3 times you have to apply this method, and come back from this option and apply star hash 99, and after that you have to press hash. Now you will get engineer mode page, and this page is activated on your screen. So now you have to click on software version and check your factory version. So Android version is 12. So uh, my Android version is 12. Similarly, your Android version is the 9854 anyone. So you have to press, if you apply the same method on as per our instruction. So I am going to press here 12 times, because as per Android version 12 times I am going to click here. Similarly, you have to press the same as per your Android version. Come back from this option and go with the manual test, second row device debugging page, and check proximity sensor test, and you will get three page, three option here. So click on the middle one and confirm here. Come back from this option, and now we have to check M sensor, magnetic sensor. This is short form M sensor. This is called a magnetic sensor, and this code is working. You have to wait minimum 5 to 10 seconds, and come back from this option and check M sensor auto test. Now test is successfully finally. So come back again. After that, you have to check sensor self test and calibration. All process you must have to take care, because without, and I'm going to tell you, because if you want to unlock your phone finally, then you will don't skip the video, because you will miss out the process. Now you can able to see gyroscope, accelerometer, both of operation are not started. So one must have to be passed here. Come back. So apply this method, and finally gyroscope is the past. Come back from this option now. After that, we have to the main and last option, last process, and this is called others option. After swiping this, starting the last page, you will get others option, and 4 5 option is coming here. So click on delete important log text and confirm here. Wrong password is coming. You will check through the key status. All are passed. You will again, if you will not get key status anything, so don't worry. You can check through reading reset complete indicator. You will get passed. Finally, you can understand your phone is unlocked or not. If after completing all the process, now it's time to check our phone whether the lock of our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button, and this home button is, you can able to see bottom on the screen, and the middle one you have to press here and check. So friend, as per our commitment, without loss of any data, our phone is unlocked now. So I hope you guys you subscribe our channel, you like this video, subscribe and like and share.